Welcome back, my dear subscriber. A very, very happy new year to you. I wish you all the best. I hope the new year has amazing times, happiness for you and your loved ones. So let's start with January predictions. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish gurus and my spiritual gurus. I am always grateful for the knowledge that they've shared with me. So let's start with January. Sagittarius, January 2022. As we enter January, many of you are planning to travel or are just about traveling. Maybe you've just finished traveling, or you are traveling early January, or you're actually looking at planning travel in the coming weeks. You are focused on you and you are in good health. So you're focused on you, you're looking at taking care of yourself, you are in good health, you're also improving your health. There's a lot of self care and recovering from conflicts and trying to bring focus and energy only on you for Sagittarius at the beginning of this month. And I think that's great because that's a very positive thing to do, and this is also the right time for you to have this mindset. Some of you are struggling with issues around money or inflow of money, or you're trying to save money as we get into the second week of January. These things will get sorted in the coming weeks. So, in case you feel there's a lack of cash flow or you're feeling a little unsettled about your money finances, these things will get sorted as we move into the first week of February. Some of you are also dealing with matters connected to property, real estate, some legal matters. My advice for you, Sagittarians, is that if any of you are dealing with these matters, which is real estate, legal paperwork, legal documentation, or inheritance issues, do not get into these conversations or these transactions or this paperwork between the 14th of January and 5th of February. Make sure you finish dealing with these matters and these conversations either before the 14th of January or you start them after the 5th of February. The middle period is not favorable. If it's a matter around inheritance or real estate, it will not go very smoothly during this time. So make sure you follow the dates and you follow the advice so that things are peacefully done, fairly done, and you get things done in your favor. Watch communication and avoid conflict towards the end of the month as well. Post the first week of February, all issues that you might be facing towards the end of this month will get sorted. So, Sagittarius, remember that at the end of January, the last week of January, if there are struggles or delays that you're facing, and especially matters connected to what I've mentioned, those issues, then they will get sorted as you move past the first week of February. So follow the dates and follow my advice. This is all I have for you for the month of January. If you want to see detailed predictions for the entire year, check the home page or the landing page of the app. I've covered each and every month. The entire year predictions are given there. So do check it out. I hope the year is good for you. I've tried to give you maximum advice possible for the entire year of 2022. Of course, I'll be back with monthly predictions as always, but you can check the annual predictions meanwhile. Till then, have a great month and I will see you next month.